part with bird. Okay, now open up the beat. Jump it inside. Alright, and for the second one, picking up the Coca-Cola second one. Open the beat and jump inside with bird. And for the last one, please go turn off some flash. Okay, right? Turn off some flash. Alikod mo nga naka-blue. Okay? Now since the bird can do why can't we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins because we all know that Clinton is next to God the nest. So I guess that together with his flying feather friends is something to tell us. So welcome to the Mars Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are the two adult macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, there's more. Please come on, buddies. So we have a total of 6 blue adults. And Carl and Carl. And our green macaw named Rachel. Alright, say hi everyone. So macaws are very adaptive birds to whatever environment they are in. It becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. On their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables, and they also have a powerful beak that can crack